Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today we'll be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi A1 Sportback 25 TFSI. It comes dressed in the gorgeous Manhattan grey, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done 31,000 miles. Standing on 16-inch alloy wheels with a 10-spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish and comfortable cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. As you sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the cloth upholstery, behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the navigation map so no need to take your eyes off the road, connection of your mobile phone device, and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display, going into phone apps, to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. In the car menu with parking, for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations, and the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination with confidence and ease. Below you have the manual air conditioning so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature. Stay connected with the 2 USB charging points and Audi phone box with wireless charging. Finished off with the sleek manual gearbox and 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. This approved used Audi A1 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who would be more than happy to help. Thank you.